Remember a couple of days ago we learned this strategy to use the 10 frame to add more. So if I fill in all of my dots on the 10 frame, how many do I have? First frame?
10.
10. I have 10. So if I see that I have, if I have all of these filled in, then if I add more, my goodness, if I add more, then I know I already have 10 and I can keep counting. 11, 12, 13. So I know I have 13. So we're going to do something very similar today, except it's just a little bit different. We are doing, you are right, 9 plus 6. Okay, so I'm going to put 9 on. Seven. And then how many more do I want to add?
6 more.
6 more. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, remember what I just said before I did this 10th frame? When I fill up my 10th frame, how many do I know I have in there? 10. You are exactly right. But did I fill up my 10 frame?
No.
I did not. So I cannot say 10 and then 6. That is not right. So I want to take one of these from here and put it there to fill up my 10 frame. Okay? So now, if you would pay attention in class, you will know what's going on. Turn around. The other way. The other way. Put your legs the other way, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, so I can fill up my 10 frame first, because then if it's full, then I know I have how many? 10. Very good. So I have 10 and 5 more. So how many do I have? 15. I have 15, guys. Look. 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. I have 15. So 9 plus 6 equals 15. Notice, first grade, I did not fill up my 10 frame just because I wanted it full. Sir, it is so hard to talk, and it is so hard for other students to listen when you are talking. So, this is not full, so I cannot say there's 10 there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my counter into that spot. Do I still have 6 down here? No. So for those who thought we had 16, that's not quite right because I moved one into a different spot. I have to fill up my 10 frame first. So, first grade, if I look at this, what is wrong with my 10 frame? What's wrong with my 10 frame?
It's not filled up.
It's not filled up. So, I am going to take these two and put them up there. Okay? So that's what I did over here. I moved this up here and this up here, so now it looks like this. Isn't this a lot easier to look at and know my answer than this one? Yes. So that's okay. You can put them here first because it did say 4 plus 8. But then we can kind of move things around a little bit to make it look a little bit nicer, right? So we changed 4 plus 8 to, how many is in my 10 frame now? 10. So we changed it to 10. And now how many extras do I have? 2. So I make a 10. I fill up my 10 frame. Sir, please stop counting. Thank you. I fill up my 10 frame first so that I can figure out my sum. It's a lot easier. Please don't smack yourself in the head with that. It's a lot easier to figure out this sum.